Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas. Your off-road truck source here in Central Kansas, bringing you another custom truck that we think you'll like. This one's called the Classic F250. So we're bringing that classic look of the past to the present 2019 Ford Super Duty. Now this classic F250 package can be put on any one of the different trims of any of the different Super Duties. Anything that we own in our current inventory, or if you want to order something. So you can put on an XL, XLT, Lariat, any of the different trims that you want to. We like to go with the XLT. We like the XLT look because we are trying to give it that classic F250 look of the past. The XLT with the chrome appearance package is a good fit for this because you're going to get those chrome bumpers up there with your chrome grille up there. You're also going to get your chrome running boards, chrome mirror caps, door handles, as well as the stock 18-inch chrome wheels. So we kind of think it gives it a nice classic look already. And then we can add the stripe on the side, which is probably the big thing a lot of people are noticing about this package is that side stripe or that two-tone look to it. But we added some other things as well. So let's kind of go through these. First is this stripe on the side. It is not painted, it is a vinyl on there. So it's a really nice job here. There's a company that does a lot of our wraps and our vinyls for us. They do a fabulous job. And they really take care of their what they do in their craft, and they do a really good job on this, and they'll take care of anything. If there's anything that's not perfect, we will send it back to them, and they are always willing to do it and make sure it's a fabulous job. So great job on the vinyl on the side that you're going to see that goes clear across from bumper to bumper there, so you'll appreciate that. Also, we added the lift kit, or a level kit I should say. So it's a 2-inch BDS brand level kit in there. Nice suspension kit with the Fox shocks as well with the black boots. So real nice suspension for you. We like the level kits instead of the lift kits because we noticed in 2017 that the new body style F2 Super Duty there is going to be a little bit higher than it was in 2016. Putting a lift kit just made it a little bit too high. We like the level kit, still gives it a nice off-road look to it, and I think you'll really appreciate that. Also, that's going to be backed by a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty as well. And then we left the stock wheels, the 18-inch chrome wheels there. I love the look of those wheels. And then we put these nice off-road tires on there. So we did upgrade those to a BFGoodrich all-terrain tire. They are 35 by 12.5, so it's going to really fill up that wheel well, give it a nice off-road terrain as well, or tire tread for you too. So you're going to be able to go off-roading with it. So just a real nice look to that as well. Now, of course, after we put in that suspension and the new tires on it, we did do a 4-wheel alignment as well as do a Hypertech speedometer recalibration as well. So that way you're going to be set to go with that. And then also we are a Sunguard dealer, so we put front window tint on these. So real nice job. We do that on a lot of our off-road trucks and gives it a nice look to kind of finish off the side over here. And then a spray and liner. We are a Rhino liner dealer, so we do have the Rhino Liner Pro Edition spray and liner in here that's going to protect that. I believe that comes with a lifetime warranty on that spray and liner as well. We even take off those box link plates as well as the hooks in there, those tie down hooks, and spray it in just perfect, and then put those back into place so you know you have a good quality spray and liner in there. And then on the inside, we didn't forget that, you do have the Ford branded all-weather tray mats. So they're going to be in the footwells there in the front seats. Also, you're going to see the mat that goes clear across the back footwell as well back there. So you're going to have that on this and really kind of protect it. And then almost forgot, we also upgraded and gave you a rear wheel well liner. So you have that liner in here on those too as well. So that kind of is a nice little upgrade for you, especially if you can do some off-roading. Kind of fills that in and gives it a nice, nice liner right there too. So again, a great package for you. Can be put on any one of our trucks, or if you want to specially order something, we can do that as well. So definitely reach out to us. You can call or send us a text message at 785-378-5031, or you can call us toll-free 1-800-874-6316. Don't forget to check out our website, McArthur.com. There we do have a special off-road edition inventory, so you can definitely check that out. Not only are you going to see our current inventories of these classic F250s, plus some of our other different packages, whether it be F150 or Super Duty, like our Mack truck or LMSE or LMX4 packages. You can check out even our Roush F150s. You can check all that out in one place to see what we have currently in stock and see if that's going to fit the bill. If there's something special you want to do, maybe you want a different color, different stripe colors, we can do that for you as well. So definitely reach out to us and give us a call there, or you can message us right off the website if you want to. We do have chat service as well as text service right there on our website. Definitely reach out to us and we can help you out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Really nice package on this that I think you'll really like. If you happen to be watching this on YouTube, we have a special offer for you as well, and that's going to be free shipping. We do that in a lot of our vehicles to about anywhere in the U.S. within the 48 states. So definitely reach out to us. The free shipping kind of helps out because you can get these trucks from about any other dealership, but you're going to get a good deal from a good dealership that is going to back up their vehicles and is very knowledgeable about their product. So if you want to reach out to us and buy something from us, keep that in mind. You're going to get free shipping, so you're going to get a great deal here at McArthur, and just a great way to buy a vehicle anymore, getting it shipped right to your door. So definitely reach out to us. Let us know you saw this video on YouTube so you can get that special discount. Also, if this is the first time watching one of our videos, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down there. That way you can get subscribed to our YouTube channel, and if you hit that notification bell, you can get notified every time we have a new video uploaded to our channel. We have some nice videos and different content out there that I think you will like, Ford and Lincoln content, as well as nice off-road and Roush videos. So definitely check that out and hit that notification bell. And also, while you're at it, if you like this different package, you want that classic look, hit that thumbs up. Let other people know you like the video. Really helps out the channel as well, and I really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that. And don't forget, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us. That's what we're here for. I love talking about this Ford product, especially off-road products. It's really fun to see those come through the dealership here, and I love talking about it. So put your comments down below. If you have any questions there, I will respond to them. If you want to reach out to me on social media, you can find me on Facebook or Twitter. I'm at Tim Bartz, and I love just interacting with you there. So go ahead and reach out to me there and follow me there. So some great video. So I really hope you liked it. I really like putting this video together, and until the next one, we'll see you later.